Adding a new controller or Joy-Con to your Switch lets you play co-op games, replace a broken one, or just set up a second player. Whether you're pairing for the first time or reconnecting one, here's the easiest way to do it. Let's jump in. Option 1. Connect Joy-Con directly. Easiest way. Slide the new Joy-Con onto the side of your Switch console. You'll hear a click and the controller will auto-pair. The screen will confirm once it's connected. Option 2. Pair wirelessly. So if you want to connect it without sliding it into the console, or you're using a Nintendo Pro controller, then you can try this. Get your Switch at hand. On the home menu, go to Controllers, select Change Grip/Order. On the new Joy-Con, press and hold the small sync button until the lights flash. The Switch will detect and pair it wirelessly. Now you need to press the left and right triggers at the top of your Joy-Cons as it's shown in your Switch screen. Press it more than once and eventually you will get connected. You'll see it show up as controller icon. Press A to confirm and start using it. You can actually connect up to 8 controllers simultaneously to a single Nintendo Switch console, regardless of the controller type, be it Joy-Con, Pro Controller, or compatible third-party options. And guys, that's how you can pair a new Joy-Con or controller to your Nintendo Switch. If this video helps you out, then hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Switch guides. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.